Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I've decided I'm going to film my waving hair tutorial. I do this quite often in the summer, and obviously as the summer's coming up, this is a great time to film this. And yeah, I hope you enjoy. Okay, so I'm just going to start off by brushing my hair, like so, just so we get all the knots out obviously. I'm just going to add a little bit of volume with the Tony & Guy hairspray, which you all know is my favourite. And I'm just going to put a bit by there and a bit by there, and the same on the other side, just to give my hair some volume, and then brush it out, like so. This is great for if you're like me and you struggle with greasy hair, because this hairstyle will hide that, like days after when your hair gets a bit greasier. So I'm just going to take a clip like this, and I'm just going to section off my hair. You can use a bobble, clip, whatever you want. I'm going to take a section like this big. Your sections whilst doing this are going to want to be a bit smaller than you usually would do it, but then a bit thicker as well.
I am aware that I didn't make any sense, lol.
I'll show you what I mean. Ugh. So what I mean is, that's my section, which is a bit smaller than I would usually do once I'm curling my hair, but I'm going to take thicker sections like this, or a bit more than that, about this much, for when I'm waving my hair. Maybe that's a bit too much, like about this much I'd say. I'm just going to brush it out, and then take my waver, which I got for Christmas last year, and it's very good. And I just like to clamp my hair in the waver, wait for 10 seconds, and then move it down. Move it down. I really like this wave for summer because it makes it look like you've just been on the beach. It's a proper beach wave. It looks like you've just woke up like this, quite natural. Very nice. Like so. Okay, so I've just finished the first section. Let me stand up to show you guys. And now I'm just going to spray it with a little bit of hairspray. And next I'm going to take another section and section my hair off and do the same thing again. It's pretty simple, this hairstyle. I just really like it for the summer, and I've really been enjoying doing it recently, so I thought it would be nice to film. Now I'm just gonna brush out the tops of my hair again. No, the section of my hair I meant. And wave this. I want to take a smaller section this time, just to make it more extreme. Okay, so now I'm going to hairspray the bits that I just finished again. And I'm going to take another section, shock horror, but I'm going to take about this much. Ah, that was a bit naughty then, if you couldn't already tell. I'm not very good at sectioning my hair, as you can tell. So I'm gonna brush it out. I always get worried that I'm gonna affect the waves when I do this, so I just do it like really lightly. Okay, so I finished this section now, and like I did with every other section, just gonna spray. And then I'm gonna take my next section and do the exact same thing I did the time before, but now because it's at the top, I'm just gonna not really taking that small or that big of a section, just like a normal section, I'd say. And then like thickness of the hair, I'll take like that much, if that makes sense. I don't think I even spoke any sense there, but hopefully you know what I mean. So I've just done this side of my hair, and this is what it looks like. As you can see, it's very wavy, very natural. Obviously isn't natural, but I feel like this is a great hairstyle for like the beach. Sometimes I've wore this to school, like on own clothes day. Yeah, and I'm going to do the other side. I'm just going to brush it again, just because it's got a bit knotty in the time that I was doing this side. I just finished my hair. This is what it looks like. I'll stand up. And I'm just going to hairspray it. And I'm going to take a headband, because every hairstyle should have a headband involved, let's be honest. I'm just going to put it like right here. Like so. Thank you so much for watching today. Don't forget to subscribe and like if you enjoyed today's video. And if you like videos like this, I'll be posting loads of videos like this. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe and like.